There is a feature in your WhatsApp that you'll be seeing every day, but you don't know how to use it. Probably you don't even know the function. So today I'm going to walk you through how to get use of that and get the most out of that feature. So before then, make sure you follow this account and share this information, share this video to as many people as you can, because it is very beneficial. So open your WhatsApp. I would prefer you use your normal WhatsApp, not business WhatsApp, but it applies to both, but use your normal WhatsApp. So let's open our WhatsApp. So when you open your WhatsApp, you will see this particular feature. I guess you have been seeing this all the time. You have been seeing this thing in your WhatsApp, but you don't know what it means. Look at this icon. This is it also. This is it also. So these two things I've marked out, I want to show you how to use it today. So what you do, you just click on it, ask Meta AI or search, just click on it. So when you open it, your phone search bar will open where you can type. So look at the prompt that I'm going to ask this AI to do for me. I will say this: create a logo for my nail brand. Let's assume I'm into nails, manicure and pedicure. Just anything. You can ask it depending on what you are doing. So ask AI to do that for you and wait for a few seconds for the reply. So this is beautiful. So look at the beautiful logo it has created for me. I can also prompt it. Let me say the same thing but something different. Create the same logo for my drop shipping business. My drop shipping business. So let's send and wait for what it will give us. So you can see it's trying to create it. Okay, something beautiful has come up. So you see, so you can use this to create beautiful logo for your brand, for your business. So just try and see if this will work for you. So if you get value from this video, you just need to give it a like and share it to as many people as you can, so that you can be seeing more beautiful videos from me like this.